Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel IELTS by Neil. Today we are going to discuss the difference between IELTS and PTE. Both of these exams are used to enter an English-speaking country for work purposes or for study. So as we all know, IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System and PTE stands for Pearson Test of English. However, both of these exams have 4 sections, that is listening, reading, writing and speaking. But there are small differences between the patterns and the way the exams are conducted. Okay, so let's find out what is the difference between IELTS and PTE. So first of all, mode of the exam. In this one, IELTS you can give paper based and computer based. Okay, however the speaking will always be one-to-one with a person in IELTS, whereas PTE is fully computer based, so there's no person involved. So you will just get your computer system and your timer will start when the exam starts, and when the timer will finish when the exam finished, and that's it. Okay, so IELTS is more like a traditional exam and this is more like a, computer based. So if you're friendly with computer, you can go for PTE. Next one is evaluation. In terms of evaluation, IELTS is evaluated by a person or a group of persons, okay? Whereas PTE is totally evaluated by computer. Next one is speaking. So what happens with speaking? With IELTS speaking, a live person is sitting in front of you, and he might help you or he might not help you, but it sometimes helps to motivate you. Okay, so it's one-on-one, and the PTE you have no one with you, so it's only you and computer, that's it. So it's one-on-one with the computer, not the person. Okay, so it depends. If you're comfortable with the person, you can go this way, or if you're not comfortable to speak in front of anyone, choose PTE. Okay, right. In the writing, in terms of IELTS, you'll get topics for general and academic both, whereas PTE you're only gonna get academic topics. All right, however the level of difficulty is same in both of these. I have done both of the exam and both of the level of difficulty is same. There's not much difference in there. Next one is reading. Reading in IELTS, again, it's the topic or the text which are given for comprehension are general and academic both, whereas in PTE is just academic. But again, the level of difficulty is same. So it's up to you. You can go for this one or you can go for this one. Okay, in listening, there is a little difference between IELTS and PTE. In IELTS, you'll get a fill in the blanks type of questions while listening to the audio, so you have to be multitasking. While you listen, you need to write the answers, whereas in PTE there are many tasks. It's not just one type of question, there are many types of question, and you are given some time limit that you have to reply in 10 seconds or 20 seconds, and your answer should be for 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Okay, so every set of questions have different rules, so you need to follow those rules and provide your responses accordingly. Now coming on to the cost. However, cost of both the exams is almost similar. It's almost around $400. I'm talking about Australian dollars in my country, so I don't know what's in yours, but it's almost the same. It's $375 to be specific, $375 for IELTS, and it's around $400 for PTE. So both are the same, so there's not much difference in the cost. Talking about the frequency, how easy you can get the date. In IELTS, it's sometimes a little bit difficult to get a date because many students are appearing for this exam. In case of PTE, it's really easy. You can get a date next day. So if you're going for PTE, you will see less students appearing for this exam. However, IELTS is like always fully booked. Coming on to the results, in case of IELTS, if you have given computer-based, it takes 4 to 5 working days. But if you've given paper-based, it's 2 weeks. That's a long time. So in case of IELTS, you need to wait a long time. But if you're given PTE, the result is given within 48 hours. That is pretty short. So again, it depends on your various circumstances, that if you don't have time, if your deadline is too close, so you should go for PTE. Now, the conclusion, which exam should we go for? It actually depends on us. For example, PTE is more like time oriented, especially some of the questions in which you need to listen a 20-second audio track and then you have to give 40-second response, or you get 10 seconds to plan your answer, then you have to speak for 30 seconds. So there are many tasks. However, it is sometimes fun, but it sometimes can be some serious problems when you don't get the answers right. So it depends on you actually. If you are a person who are able to give quick and instant responses, then PTE is the way. And also if you want the result faster, PTE is the way for you. However, IELTS is more like a traditional way. Like you'll get a question paper, you'll get 60 minutes to solve, you just do it. Okay, you'll get another question paper, another 60 minutes, you do that. So this is like kind of a traditional way that we have done in the schools. You're not worried about the time they're going to take to declare the score, because in computer based 3 to 4 days you have to wait, or if it's paper based then you have to wait 2 weeks. So you need to consider both the conditions, and then you can decide PTE and IELTS. However, IELTS is accepted more than PTE. PTE is mostly accepted in Australia and few other countries. However, IELTS is accepted in many other countries. However, IELTS is accepted in almost all the countries. So I hope this video have cleared your questions about difference between IELTS and PTE. However, if you still want me to make a detailed video for introduction to PTE, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll do that for you. I'll make a proper detailed video describing each section of the PTE. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time.